Alright, welcome back to our 30 days Python challenge, and today is date 8. You made it this far. That's a wonderful thing, and it's a good thing that you're increasing in problem solving with Python and programming as a whole. Alright, so today we'll be looking at factorial. So we'll be finding a factorial of a number n, written like n factorial just this way is the product of all positive integers from 1 to n. So yes, you know what factorial is. So how are we going to do this now? Given that 4 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and you are getting 24 from that. Alright. So now to do this, all we can do is just go ahead. First thing we do, as we have been doing from our previous challenges, if you've not watched the previous challenge from day 1 to day 7, make sure you watch them. They're wonderful and they will help reshaping how your approach to problem solving with programming. So natural number right there. So here we have our natural number, and I'm just going to go ahead and say factorial now is equals to 1, right? Okay, factorial is equals to 1. And here we have factorial is equals to 1. So for I in range, what I want to do now is for I in range 1, then n plus 1. Alright. So, and why we say n plus 1? N plus 1 is because when we talk about range, it's not going to include the last digit. So let's say this is 5 now. It's not going to include 5. It's going to actually do 1 to 4 and not include 5. So because we want to include the last digit, if we're finding factorial of 4, we want to include that 4, we have to make sure that this is 5. So it will not be including 5, but it will be stopping at 5 instead. So we're just going to go ahead and say factorial now is multiplies equals to I. And this is as simple as it is. Then I just go ahead and print out now Fn. Now sign of factorial is equals to factorial. And yes, we have our program working quite alright. So if I try to enter 4 right here, I have 4 factorial is equals to 24. And if I should enter 20 right here, we have the digit there, right? So let me just try 5, and we have it as 120. And okay, so, and yes, PyCharm already imported this. Math module provides us a feature to use factorial in this way. So whereby I can just go ahead and say factorial here. Okay, just say factorial here and find the factorial of n instead. And this will still give me my desired answer for right here. Alright, it's still 24 and it's still working quite alright. So we can see we still have our function here working. You can just go ahead and import it from Python, but this is actually to build your problem solving skills with Python and to know your approach to how you will solve this problem. So that will be all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and put in the comment section which other video you would like to see and the types of projects, the types of challenges you would like to see with Python and your approach to this. Were you able to get it your first time? Don't forget to put it in the comment section. Thank you.